Alright, how's it going? So the last video that we posted was basically just moving to the new shop and getting everything set up. Actually, we didn't even get anything set up. We literally just like put stuff inside the shop. So today I'm going to show you guys how the shop is now. It's like 6 months later. So let's go take a look. So one of the hardest things has been like finding good quality tools for a good price. So we're gonna dig into that a little bit, and also how the ongoing bus projects are looking now after all this time. So the first little stop that we're gonna make here is in this room. So here we got our future sandblasting cabin. We already got like a machine set up here. We're gonna do hydro blasting. So we got the water, the machine, we got everything ready to go. This door opens up and you can fit a VW bus in here perfectly. But we have not got the compressor yet, so we're going to be utilizing this space after. Right now we just use it for like cleaning parts and other dirty services, I guess you could say. So next up we got our 1974 Kombi, almost ready for paint. We got it on the rotisserie, as you can see. We just cleaned up the bottom. The rest of the bodywork is like totally done now. So basically we have to put rubber undercoating before we paint the bottom, and then we'll flip it back over, do the final body work on the top, and this one will be ready to go for paint and assembly. A lot of this project, but we actually removed the entire roof and redid all the roof gutters and the roof structure. It was a real big job, but this one, it's getting to the end and we're very excited about seeing it go. So next up, we got the other bus that you guys saw on the channel a few months ago. This is the 76, 77 Clipper. This one we had a ton of work to do as well. We changed the front. We just put the doors back on. We did a whole bunch of work inside. We made new floor pans, new floor inside as well. Oh, dá uma olhada lá dentro para mostrar. Got new floor pans in it. A lot of work getting the back door, doing rust repair on that back door up high. That was all rusted out. And of course there was a ton of dents all over it. There's a ton of like little bits welded here and there that we had to clean up. But it's almost there now. So this one should be going for paint within less than a month. Next up, just getting the shop together. We picked up this big beautiful table. Super stoked on that purchase. This table has become like our bread and butter. We use it every day. And I got a bunch of metalworking tools that we've been gradually grabbing here and there as time goes on, because the more we work here, the more we notice that like the replacement panels on the market just aren't good enough. We end up either modifying them or just making our own stuff. So I grabbed a Polmax, and we're just starting to make the first tools for this thing. We just got it working again. So we're gonna make some tooling to make the roof gutters on the buses. That's the first job for that one. We've been using the bead roller that I picked up. This is like basically a machine that a guy in Sao Paulo had built himself. But this one's been super useful for making like floor pans and anything else that has like little details. We also grabbed this bander off another guy that restores kombis actually, and this has been super useful in making roof gutters. So we made all the roof gutters with this thing, already paid for itself. Next up, we put together a little rough paint cabin kind of thing here. So we got an exhauster and we got the lights and it closes up. So this is kind of more of a temporary setup for doing parts and this and that. But we put a little time into getting that all set up as well. Of course, you can see the Kombi bumpers there, getting prepped for paint, all the different bits here and there. Well, that's kind of where we're at now and where the shop is at today. So we're gonna start doing videos more often, because there's so much going on getting the shop together and getting like a good team together to work on these buses, that I kind of just abandoned the channel. And there's a lot of different things that happened over the last 6 months, but the important thing is that we're here now, we're all set up, we're grinding away on these buses. We got another one coming soon, and check us out. So we're Metalsmith on Instagram, Facebook, and metalsmith.com.br, and we'll be hunting, restoring, and finding these buses, and it's going to be a lot of fun, so stay tuned.